So real quick, let's talk about leg day. And pardon my hair, guys. Not gosh. I mean, it's leg day. It shows that. Them say if you look cute after your workout, you never work hard enough. I did work hard because that hair, yeah. So I started with hip thrust. I am going heavy. I think I did 155. And then did Romanian deadlift. This is my favorite. I've been doing this forever. Went up to, I want to say 115, 8. So, of course, I didn't start to warm up my body, but I try to focus. Like, I do the last 2 to 3 sets as heavy as I can. Then I did some Bulgarian split squats. I'm just now adding this to my routine. This and hip thrust, I'm adding to my routine. I'm telling you, my body better fat by time with me done this program, because them Bulgarian split squats here, well, I'm a balling for every single god what the unknown in planet, right? I beg for mercy from all of them. And then I did some reverse lunges on the at like a incline, I forget what it named, deficit, I think, I don't know, but I did 3 sets of 6 with that, and I did go up in the weight. I went up to 30 pounds on each side, so 60 total on the Smith machine. But I realized that when I was at 60 on each side, I was my form, I compromised on form, so I lowered it and just gonna stay at 25 on each side until, cause form over weight, all right, and don't ego lift, form over weight. And then I did finish off with those banded abductors, those authentic band, good quality band, all right. I haven't started selling them again yet, but when I do, of course, I'll let you guys know. But those are good quality bands. They don't roll, they don't fall. You have to adjust them all the time. When you put them right where you put them stay, and them thick. And my gosh, I did 4 sets of 25 on those lane hip abductors thing, and my god, how much somebody that burned me. And then I did 20 minutes on the elliptical, doing it in reverse to target my glutes. I forgot to record that, so you know, I see that right here. But I tried to finish off my workout with 20 minutes of cardio. But that is that for leg day. I feel good.
Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Mueve la colita, look, yeah. Look at this body that I got.